Hello student, how are you today? Are you ready to study? We are going to study Unit 5. It is about weird and wild animals. Hope you enjoy. Look at the pictures, listen and answer the questions. Student, do you know what is this animal? Yes, good job. It is volcano rabbit. It lives in Mexico. How about this animal? What is it? Yes, you are correct. It is the bumblebee bat. It is the smallest bat in the world. What is this animal? Yes, good job. It is an anglerfish. It lives in the ocean all over the world. Do you know this animal? What is it? You're good. It is Tasmanian devil. It lives in Australia. How about this animal? What is it? Yes, you are correct. It is Andean condor. It lives in the South America. Do you know what is this animal? Yes, you are good. This is an Egyptian tortoise. It is the smallest tortoise in the world. How about this animal? What is it? Yes, good job. It is Mexican walking fish. It is not really a fish. It is a kind of salamander. It lives in the stream and ponds near Mexico City. How about this animal? What is it? Yes, you are correct. It is tarsier. It lives in the Southeast Asia. Do you know this animal, student? What is it? Yes, good job. It is red panda. How about this animal? What is it? Yes, you are correct. It is coconut crab. Okay, student, that's the end of our learning. We have to learn weird and wild animals. See you and God bless you. Bye-bye.